Okay, so you have an active color at the top and a timer, and you have this gradient block, and you have to tap on it in the position you think it is identical to the color at the top, the circle. So if you are close enough, I think 49% or closer to that selected color, you move to the next level, which becomes increasingly difficult. But yeah, that's how you play the game. So let me show you an example. We're gonna go with probably here. Okay, that was 77. That was pretty close. About here maybe. Okay, that was pretty bad. 34%. 42. That's not good enough. 85. That's good. That was close. 97 and so on. So yeah, like I said, try to get as close as possible or as you can to the actual color and get as many points as you can.